In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a link in Notion. This guide is intended to make your life easier by giving you an efficient way to enhance your Notion workspace with linked content. So grab your device, sit back, and let's dive in. First, ensure you're on Notion's website. If you haven't done so yet, open up your preferred web browser and visit Notion's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the option to log in. If you're already logged into Notion, you can skip this part. Otherwise, simply click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials or use a connected service like Google or Apple to gain access. After you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to Notion's main home page. This is typically the hub from where you can navigate through your workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. You should see your sidebar on the left-hand side, listing all your workspaces, pages, and other key areas you might need. Next up, decide on the page where you want to embed a link. Navigate through your pages in the sidebar and click on the one where you plan to add the link. If you haven't created a page yet, Notion makes it easy to start a new one by clicking the New Page option, allowing you to create a fresh space for your ideas or projects. Once you're on the desired page, it's time to start the embedding process. Here comes the magic. With Notion's intuitive command functionality, embedding is a breeze. Simply type in the command /embed directly onto the page. This command will trigger a menu that lets you embed multiple types of content into your Notion page, including links. After you've typed embed, you're prompted to input the URL of the link you want to embed. So grab the URL from your source, whether it's a video, a document, or another web page, and paste it into the designated field. Hit enter, and voila! Your link is now embedded within your Notion page, offering immediate access to external resources with a single click. Embedding links adds a new dimension to your Notion pages, enhancing their functionality and making your workspace more resourceful. Whether it's for personal knowledge management, team collaboration, or project organization, these embedded links keep everything you need within arm's reach. Congratulations! You've successfully mastered the art of embedding links in Notion. Revisit these steps anytime you need to add more, and continue exploring all the capabilities Notion has to offer to optimize your workflow.